Hi, this is Eve coming to you with this small bag video. I have these two pieces of a white leather and decided that I think I'd like to apply something at the design to them. So I decided to cut out this curvy strip of material and finish the edges with some red biased tape. Here is the pattern and the design that I drew and decided to do the strip from that design. Just traced it out and added the top part as as part of the strap of the handbag. So this is the way I intend to apply the strip to the handbag. It's going to be sewn on. Then I'm going to make this little loop on the top part of the curvy strip design. These are some strips that I'm going to be applying to the other piece of the white leather. I'm going to be folding it, okay, and more or less applying it in a certain way. So I'm going to fold it and sew and turn it inside out. It becomes tubular and I'm going to be turning it inside out. Decided to do it with my hands. So this was sewn onto the shell, the printed material sewn onto the white leather. And now also part of this strip was sewn onto the other piece of white leather. And what I intend to do is practically thread it through the loop that was created. Okay. Just like that, and sew a piece onto the other side. Okay. So here it is sewn onto the other side, and I decided to cut just a little piece off for the design because I liked it better. So now I'm going to sew up the sides to complete the shell. Now the shell is completed. Now it's time to do the lining. When you do the lining, you want to leave an opening in the lining. Okay. Here you place the shell in the lining, pin the edges, and yes, you push it all the way in. And the top edges you stitch all the way around the top edges. Make sure everything's in, all the straps are in properly. Now from that opening that was left in the shell, you turn things inside out. And there is your bag. It's all done. you don't forget to sew the opening in the shell, and you can also hand sew it if you want this bag to be reversible so it looks neat on the other side also. You can close it with snaps or even a button. And there it is. Then you can turn it on to the other side and see how it looks. If by chance you decide you want to make it match with your outfit. And that's basically the other side, the way it looks. So this is Eve signing off now. Until the next video, have a great day.